My name is Obagang. I live in Trumbull, Connecticut. I needed electrical work. I'm a busy guy. I work in tech. I need to be connected at all times. I looked around and Smart Electrical Solutions was the company to go to. Saulo was precise. He took his time in explaining everything in detail, which I appreciate. I'm not an electrician, but again, for a young family, I think of ways of saving costs. So for future projects and mapping out for the entire house our needs, I want to be able to know that I have someone that I can count on. They were reliable, they were on point, very informative and diligent about the work. Do yourself, your family, your home a favor. If you're looking for an electrical solution, make it a smart one.